Union Home Minister Amit Shah has directed the National Investigation Agency to take over the probe into the brutal killing of Maharashtra's Amravati-based shop owner Umesh Kohle on June 21st, after he wrote a post in support of Nupur Sharma on Facebook. Home Minister's office made the announcement through its Twitter handle, as the matter was similar to the Udaipur case in which a tailor, Kanhaiya Lal Teli, was killed in broad daylight by two men. MHA has handed over the investigation of the case relating to the barbaric killing of Shri Umesh Kohle in Amravati, Maharashtra on 21st June to NIA, HMO India tweeted. In the tweet, it is directed that the conspiracy behind the killing, involvement of organizations and international linkages would be thoroughly investigated. Exactly a week before tailor Kanhaiya Lal was hacked to death in Udaipur, Umesh Kohle, a 54-year-old chemist, was killed in Maharashtra's Amravati district on June 21st. Investigators so far believe that Kohle was killed allegedly in retaliation for a social media post supporting BJP's Nupur Sharma, who had made controversial comments on the prophet in a television debate. Initial investigation by the city Kotwali police station in Amravati following a complaint by Umesh Kohle's son led them to arrest two persons, Mudassir Ahmad and Shahrukh Pathan, on June 23rd. Their interrogation revealed the involvement of four more persons, who were arrested on June 25th, while one is absconding. In Udaipur, a tailor, Kanhaiya Lal, was hacked to death inside his shop by two men on June 28th. The HMO has also handed over the Udaipur case to the NIA to investigate it.